Inflatable hot tubs have become a game changer for those who crave a relaxing retreat at home. The best inflatable hot tubs combine convenience, comfort, and affordability, offering a spa-like experience in your own backyard. From easy setup to soothing jets, they deliver the relaxation you deserve. Let's explore some of the top options that will help you find the perfect fit for your outdoor space. ALEKO Inflatable Hot Tub. The ALEKO Inflatable Hot Tub is an excellent choice for those seeking relaxation and health benefits without a hefty price tag. Designed for 2 people, it features a 145-gallon capacity and a sleek brown and white design, making it a stylish addition to any space. Its upgraded 1200-watt heater efficiently warms the water up to a soothing 104 degrees Fahrenheit, while the 100 to 130 bubble jets deliver a rejuvenating massage experience, perfect for easing joint pain, improving sleep, or simply unwinding after a long day. The spa is incredibly user-friendly with a digital control panel for adjusting jets, temperature, and filtration. It inflates and deflates quickly, allowing for hassle-free setup and storage. Accessories like a drink tray, fitted cover, and repair kit add convenience and value. However, its heating speed is modest, increasing 1 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit per hour, and it may take up to 48 hours to fully heat, which could be a drawback for those seeking immediate relaxation. Additionally, it's not suitable for use in temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, limiting its year-round functionality. Despite these minor limitations, the ALEKO Inflatable Hot Tub Spa offers an impressive blend of affordability, therapeutic benefits, and ease of use, making it a solid choice for couples and small households. INTEX PURESPA Inflatable Hot Tub. The INTEX PURESPA Inflatable Hot Tub offers an impressive balance of modern features, comfort, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for relaxation at home. Its 83 inches by 83 inches by 28 inches dimensions provide ample space for up to 4 people, while the FiberTech beam construction ensures stability and durability without sacrificing comfort. The spa's sleek square graystone design blends seamlessly into any outdoor or indoor setting, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. What sets the PureSpa Graystone Deluxe apart is its smart technology integration. The Wi-Fi-enabled spa allows you to control temperature, filtration, and schedules via a smartphone app, making it easy to customize your experience remotely. The removable wireless control panel adds convenience, operating for up to 48 hours on a single charge. For added luxury, the spa includes premium accessories like contoured headrests, an energy-efficient cover, and mood-setting LED lighting. The built-in fast-fill inflation system simplifies setup, ensuring you can inflate and deflate the tub effortlessly. While its 3.3-star rating highlights some durability concerns, the combination of innovative features and thoughtful design makes it a strong contender for anyone seeking a high-tech, user-friendly spa. Perfect for couples or small families, the INTEX PureSpa brings comfort and style to your relaxation routine. M-Spa Super CAMARO. The M-Spa Super CAMARO redefines relaxation with its luxurious design and advanced features, catering to families and spa enthusiasts alike. Designed to comfortably fit 4 to 6 people, this inflatable hot tub boasts a generous 245-gallon capacity and measures 80 inches in diameter and 28 inches in height, offering ample space for an indulgent soak. Equipped with 138 air jets, the Super CAMARO delivers a premium bubble massage experience, creating a spa-like atmosphere right in your backyard. Its heating system increases the water temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit per hour, reaching a maximum of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a soothing and customizable experience for all seasons. The smart filtration system guarantees clean water, while the anti-icing feature protects the spa during colder months, making it suitable for year-round use. Setup is effortless thanks to its plug-and-play technology, and additional features like the heating timer enhance convenience. Constructed with durable vinyl and PVC, the hot tub is built for lasting performance. While shipping restrictions limit availability in certain states, energy-efficient alternatives are offered for compliance. Though it comes at a higher price point, the M-Spa Super CAMARO is worth every penny for those seeking a portable, feature-rich hot tub to elevate their relaxation routine. INTEX PureSpa Plus Hot Tub. The INTEX PureSpa Plus Hot Tub strikes a balance between comfort, convenience, and modern features, making it an excellent choice for relaxation at home. Designed to accommodate up to 6 people, this inflatable spa offers a luxurious experience with its 140 high-powered air jets, delivering soothing bubble massages that help melt away stress. Its square design and neutral gray color add a sleek, contemporary touch to any backyard or patio. What sets the PURESPA Plus apart is its focus on enhancing water quality and comfort. The integrated hard water treatment system ensures gentler water on your skin, while the saltwater sanitation system minimizes the need for chemical additives, making it a more eco-friendly and skin-safe option. With a customizable temperature of up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it's easy to create the perfect spa atmosphere for any occasion. Adding to the experience, the 4 cushioned headrest pillows provide exceptional support, while color-changing LED lights create an inviting ambiance for nighttime soaks. Though the heating process can take time, the results are worth the wait for a truly relaxing soak. Durable and portable, the INTEX PURESPA Plus is ideal for anyone seeking an affordable, feature-rich spa solution that brings comfort and style to their outdoor space. INTEX 28431E PURESPA Plus. The INTEX 28431E PURESPA Plus is an excellent choice for those seeking a convenient and relaxing spa experience right at home. With its 6-person capacity and 170 soothing bubble jets, this inflatable hot tub provides a calming massage that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. The easy-to-use control panel allows you to adjust the temperature up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a comfortable soak for all users. Crafted with durable fiber-tech construction, the spa maintains its structural integrity while offering a comfortable surface to relax on. The built-in hard water treatment system makes the water gentler on your skin, providing a soothing experience. Plus, the spa comes with 2 contoured headrests and a multicolored LED light, which adds a touch of luxury to your spa session. The PURESPA Plus also stands out for its easy maintenance. The filter cartridges are simple to replace, and the included insulated cover helps conserve energy. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet evening alone, this inflatable hot tub creates the perfect setting for relaxation. For anyone seeking an affordable and high-quality spa experience, the INTEX PURESPA Plus is an excellent investment.